Hello everybody, I am the Home Tech Guy, and today I'm going to show you how to type with your voice. This is going to be a quick video just to show you how to use Google Docs to type a document. So I'm going to come over here and I'm going to open a Google page, and you can tell that I'm logged in because I have an account up here and my picture's up here. You need a Google account to do this, and if you have a Google account, you know because you have a Gmail address. So if you have a Google account, then you have access to all of the free tools that Google offers, and one of them is Google Docs. And I will show you how to use Google Docs and how to save files and do different things like that in another video. But today, I'm going to assume you already know that you have a Google account, and I'm going to show you where to go to Google Docs and type with your voice and create a document that way. So we're going to come up here to this little grid up here. We're going to click on this. This is where all the Google apps live. And there's a list here of the popular ones, and one of them that works very well is Google Docs. I'm going to go ahead and click on this here, and it's going to open up the Google Docs center here. And I know that because up here on the top left it says Google Docs, and I'm going to start a new document. Right up here, I'm going to click this plus button and create a new blank document. This will give me an untitled document that's blank. I got a blinking cursor right there ready for me to type. I'm going to come up here and click on this untitled document and rename this my first voice document. And I'm going to click back down here in the body of this document. And the first thing I need to do is come up to Tools. Up here on the menu, I'm going to click Tools, and I'm going to come to Voice Typing and click on that. That's going to bring up this microphone here, and if I click this, it will let me speak, and it will listen to all of my words and transcribe them right here in the document. If I want to stop talking and I don't want it to listen to me anymore, then I'm going to click it again while it's flashing. So when I click it, it's going to flash red. That means it's listening from my voice and ready for me to start talking inside the document, and watch what happens. Here we go. I'm going to click that. This is my first voice document! Exclamation point. Isn't this great that I can type with my voice? Question mark. It even knows how to do punctuation, period, new paragraph. This is great. I can type a document out and speak clearly, and it understands my words perfectly, period. Now I just went and clicked that microphone again so that it would stop listening to my voice. And wasn't that easy? That was a simple way to just go ahead and type in something without using the keyboard. I know some of you are good keyboarders out there, but some of you are good hunting peckers, and you take a long time to type, but this may make it much easier for you to type really fast. Now, there are some things that don't exactly transcribe perfectly, and for that you can come here and you can make edits. I noticed that this IT, this word it here in this sentence, did not capitalize. So I can come back and capitalize that, and I can clean things up a bit. There are some commands that this voice typing will allow me to do, and one of them is undo. Undo is one of the wonderful things that you can use when you're typing any document, whether it's an email or a Word document or a Google Doc here. And that's just using the Control Z or a Command Z on your keyboard. That's holding down the Control key and hitting Z, and that undoes the last thing you just did. And so undo is available. It's also available in the edit menu up top here. If I go to the edit menu and I click undo, it shows that Command Z because I'm on a Mac, and that would be Control Z. You use the Control key or the Command key on the Mac. And you also have that right over here. These little arrows show that you can undo. So if I click this undo, it's going to undo that last edit I just did to that T. And if I click the redo button, it'll redo the edit that I just make. So while I'm typing, if I want it to undo the last thing I just typed, it will do that as well. So I'll demonstrate that really quick. So I'll go ahead and tap this microphone again one time. This is great that I can use my voice to type whatever I want, period, undo. Undo. There you go. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to do it. It's not perfect. And so it will also accept other commands that you give it. And there's a whole page of commands that you can use. I'm going to go ahead and include in this video, in the description below the video, I'm going to include a link to a page that will give you lots of the commands that you can use. And it will give you a tutorial of how to turn on your microphone, turn on voice typing, how to start talking, and some of the punctuation voice commands that you can do, some of the editing voice commands that are available, how to delete things, how to insert columns and tables, how to do a whole host of edits inside the document. So I'll leave a description in the description below. I'll leave this document link down there so that you can learn more about it if you want to. But that's it for today, and thanks for watching. And if you like these videos, just go ahead down below the video and just click that like button. And if you want to hear more of these videos and see more of these instructional videos, hit that subscribe button, the red subscribe button below the video, and you will be notified with new videos when they come out. Especially if you click the bell button, that will give you a notification on your phone or your iPad when I put out a new video. Thank you very much. Have a good day.